What's good, everybody on YouTube, man? Yes, on that brand new camera, man. My very first unboxing on the new camera, man. Let's get it. I mean, it look clear. I don't know if it's gonna come out clear, but it looks good. But anyways, man, finna go ahead and go to this shoe room, man. Let y'all see what I just copped, man. And I copped a couple pairs of these, man. So let's get straight into this. What hood? Everybody on YouTube, man, it's your boy PM Kicks, man. I am back with another unboxing for y'all today, man. But before we get into the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you like the content, man. Share the video, friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, unboxing, whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. And no lie, I was gonna do a Tony D2Y one today, but I'm really packing for sneakercon and I don't want to drag everything out. I still got to do some stuff before I leave, but I'm really short on time, so enough talking. Finna get straight into this unboxing for y'all. And wow, here go that package right here. And this right here, surprisingly, was a very easy cop. Like, oh yeah, I lost my knife. I don't even know. I don't know where it's at. It'll pop up. But yeah, surprisingly, this was an easy cop. And I'm thinking, I'm like, man, you know, I'm up early. I'm waiting. I'm like, oh man, I don't think I'm gonna hit. Hit no problem. Easy cop. Cop multiple pairs. I caught 4 pairs of these. So, wow. There was that box right there. That HU 2018. Y'all already know what these things are. And these are the BBC Human Race NMD size 9. Y'all see that? And yeah, man, these was a very real easy cop, man. And bling, blow, burr on the shoes, man. And I mean, Pharrell shoes is really, they took a plummet. I don't know where everything went on these, but I get to get shit like this easy. Now let me give y'all that full 360 of the shoe. All the way around, full 360. And man, yeah, man, like stuff like this, like especially the BBC, the collabs and stuff like this, you gotta do both of his shoes. Like, well, never not the whole thing, but yeah, the Billionaire Boys Club collab used to be like, man, crazy. Like, everything was crazy about this stuff, man. And now it's just like, he dropping something new. Even like the OG shoes, like some of the OG shoes is like dropped down in price where they was going for like thousands and thousands. Like earlier when they first dropped, a lot of them really like plummeted, like for real. Like they ain't going for thousands, they like 600, 700. First they was like 800, 900 in that range, but man, they took a plummet. So if you want them, go ahead, cop away. But we gonna do it on the right shoe, man. We gonna start off with the obvious, man. As you can see right here on the front, it has hard. And on the front of this one, it has mind. And you know, and with Pharrell shoes, y'all know that he always like to deliver messages on his shoes. So, you know, like wealth is in the heart and in the mind. It's not in what's in your pocket. It's within the heart and in the mind. You know, so he always, that's why I like Pharrell shoes, because it's always a message to him. Like that's like one of the dopest parts to me about Pharrell shoes is the message on them. And y'all know it's covered all knit material. And honestly, you can, from this part up to like here is all one, and then you can see where it's like the different stitching started in up here. But of course you have the red, white, yellow, white, navy. It kind of formed like a little pattern. These is dope. I mean, I don't get it. I don't get what, like, I don't get personally what a hype died, cause like on the Pharrels, but these are still dope to me. Glad I can get these for the low. Well, not low, but they was retail, so that shit's still high, but but yeah, man. The patterns is real clean. This right here probably would have been a good summer shoe. The pattern with these, this probably would have been a real good summer shoe. So these probably is going to be on ice until the summer. Because like these colors just, and then the shoe in general, like NMDs, for real, NMDs are like summer shoes. Because this knit in the winter is over with. Snow get on this, soaking through here, it's pretty much over. So these are going to be on ice until the summer, but the colorway on this is real clean. And I know I see a lot of people jumping off that Pharrell hype train because it's not hype anymore. Like, oh, you know, I could have passed on these, but if they was real hype, you would have been happy to get them. So, you know, whatever. You have the standard lace system for the Pharrell NMD with the cage on the side. And like, I haven't really seen people go crazy with the lacing on these. Like, they do like the standard lace, even though you can lace it down here, have it a little wider down here on the foot. But I mean, this pretty much works for me. Cage system. On the back of this one, you have that Adidas logo and some real buttery leather. This leather is real. This leather is real good on here. And on the back of this one, you have the BBC Billionaires Boys Club on the back with the yellow spare laces. To me, the white laces do them perfectly fine. We'll not be switching these out. The white laces are perfect. And just like any other of them, you have the, I know you can't really even see that, but on the inside, it shows you like how your feet, like the bottom of your feet is connected to like your organs and everything. So that's why it's good for you to keep the, like, your feet and stuff, you know. Like where I work construction, so they say you always want to keep your hands, buy the best stuff for your hands and the best stuff for your feet, because that's the most things you're going to be using. You're going to be on your feet all day, so that's why it's good to buy comfortable shoes. Yeah, and then on the back of the heel where the Adidas logo, you see that split going down the middle, separating the two different colorways on the shoe. Cage going around, but it has this little, I don't even know what, it's just some extra, because on the other side it don't have it. It's just a regular cage with this little mud guard right there, but the mud guard stretches to the front. On this one, you have boost all the way around the shoe, so you know the shoe is extra comfortable. Maybe because this is just like, this is the trail bottom, so maybe the trail bottom, people don't like the trail bottoms. I really don't know. And the reason why I don't really care is like my head chopped off, because we talking about the shoes right now, bro. But maybe people don't like, maybe people not really rocking with the trail bottoms. I mean, hey, let me know in the comment section why y'all think that the hype on the NMDs are dying. Not necessarily the NMDs, but Pharrell NMDs at that. Like, because like the BBC collab, any collab with Pharrell shoes used to fly off the roof. But hey, it is what it is, man. I get the cotton for the low. I keep saying the low, but y'all know what I mean. If y'all know how Pharrell shoes resell, y'all know what I mean by for the low. On the bottom, you don't have that. No, this not a Continental. Adidas logo. Little numbering right here on the front. I don't know what that means. But yeah, man, these are some real dope shoes, my honest opinion. Glad I can cop them. Cop me 4 pairs of these. You feel me? So I might bring some to sneakercon. Try to get me something that I want. Maybe add a little cash or whatever the case may be. But yeah, man, that's my video, man. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you like the content, man. Share the video, friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, unboxing, whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. And we out this jam.